Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Today let's study the poem Wishing by Ella Wheeler Wilcox. Before we go to read the poem, let's go through. There are three questions are given. There are three questions. Wishing, chapter 6. Before we read the poem, we have to understand something, that is, what can you do to spread happiness? In which levels, in which places, among your family. First one, among your family and friends. You know that in your family, lot of works are there. Father is doing some work, mother is doing some work, the brother or you yourself are doing. When we all are doing our own work, our family is so happy. When you are listen to your parents, you love your parents, parents also will be happy. The same way, we can see at school. At school, how can we happy with your teachers and friends? When you are coming, nowadays, coronavirus, that's why you are not coming to the school. Otherwise, on time we have to come to the school. On time we have to complete our work, whatever entrusted to you. There are different subject teachers are asked you to do. Suppose we are doing our work, no need for punishment. So, whenever we do our responsibility, or we wish the teachers, we see all the friends in the school or in the class the same level. There is no differentiate between caste, color or anything else. In the pledge, you are telling that all Indians are my brothers and sisters. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. That means there is no difference. I love, you love everyone in the school. So we can make the school happy. Next question asks you, in the community. In the community means where you are living. In the village, पड़ोसी वाले के साथ में ना, और अदर दूसरे persons are coming to you, how do you wish them? You are wishing them, you are accept them. Suppose they ask you to do something, you are doing with respect. Or somebody asks you to give some glass of water, you give them water, or ask them to cross the roads, then you are helping. People are so much happy. So there are different ways we can make the people happy. So today the poetess Ella Wheeler Wilcox telling that how we can make the world happy. The whole world we can make happy. First of all, we go through, or we shall understand who is the poetess. Ella Wheeler Wilcox was an American author and poet. She was an American author and poet. And her Poems of Passion is the one of the best known work. Which is the Poems of Passion is the one of her best known works. Many poems, many works, short stories or something she had written. But among them all, which is the best one, Poems of Passion is one of her best known works. Her poem Solitude contains the famous lines. Then also we can see that her prolific excellence lay in her positive approach and optimistic nature. Optimistic means that is positive mentality. That is, whatever we are watching, whatever we are seeing, whatever there we are doing, there is hope for us. Pessimist and optimist. Pessimist means negative mentality, negative attitude. Optimist means there is positive attitude. Whatever I am doing, God will give me fruitfulness. Suppose you study, you are expecting that is God will help you and He will give me good marks. So hard work you are doing and you are expecting that. Same way, here telling that whatever you do in the world, good deeds, good and bad, that one there is fruit is there. You can see the fruits. Maybe we are happy, people around us are happy, the whole world is keeping happiness. So we have seen this question answers. What can you do to spread happiness? Now we go through some meanings in this poem. That is Eden. Eden means, in the Bible you can see there is a story. The first man and the woman, they loved and lived so happily because they were obedient to God. They were obedient to God. So the paradise, we can say that you have seen the Bagijana, there is a garden. So we say God's garden, that is. There the people lived so happily. There is a story in the Bible that is the beautiful and better place, that is called Eden. Folly means foolishness. Means before. Scrapbook means large book that you can stick pictures. Scrapbook means large book that you can stick pictures. Very large book, that is more pages are there, and there is blank, you can stick pictures or anything else. Off means often. Scatter means throw things in different directions. So we can say that is something, you put some paper scattered here and there, means here and there it has gone. So now we will read the poem. Read this poem to find out how we can make the world better. Now students, you can take the textbook. You can take the textbook, page number 48. You must take the textbook, otherwise we could not understand. Page number 48 you take. You look at your textbook, poem lines. Do you wish the world were better? Do you wish the world were better? Let me tell you what to do. See a watch upon your actions. Keep them always straight and true. Rid your mind of selfish motives. Let your thoughts be clean and high. You can make a little Eden of the sphere you occupy. So here we can see, do you wish the world were better? Do you wish the world, dunya, अच्छी दुनिया बनाया. How we will make the world beautiful, सुंदर करते हैं. Let me tell you what to do. So the poetess is telling that what you have to do. Set a watch. Set a watch means keep an eye. Keep an eye on means you have to be careful on your actions. Set a watch upon your actions. Set a watch upon your actions. Keep an eye on your actions. Keep them always straight and true. Always straight and true means not deceiving. Our actions are not deceiving others. And true. There must be sincere and truthful. Rid your mind of selfish motives. Get rid of. You stop it. Rid means stop it. Rid your mind of selfish motives. Selfish means only for me. I want this one. I want to get first. Others no need to get. That is why I do for anything. No. Get rid your mind of selfish motives. Let your thoughts be clean and high. Your thought must be clean, good and benefit for everyone. High thoughts. So thoughts be clean means pure, good thinking. And high means topmost, benefit for everything. So your thinking must be clean and that should be benefit for others. You can make a little Eden of the sphere you occupy. Sphere means the area where the activity you are doing, the all around you can make. Where you are, in the family, in the school, in the society, wherever you are, you can make like a God's paradise, and you can make it. So, Bagija ke taraf you can behave, and God is always pleased the people that time. Why? They were listen to God. So here also, when our thoughts are pure and high, it would help the benefit of the other people. We can also make the world like paradise. Second stanza there is, do you wish the world were wiser? Well, suppose you made a star. By accumulating wisdom in a scrapbook of your heart, do not waste one page on folly. Live to learn and learn to live. If you want to give them men, if you want to give men knowledge, you must get it ere you give. So what it tells, do you wish the world were wiser? Now you think that the world must be wise, it good knowledgeable, what you can do. Well, suppose you made a star, so you people, children, you must be like that first, or in the world whoever people must be start that acquiring, that is by accumulating means collecting wisdom. By accumulating wisdom means it comes from God. You are always believing God, so optimistic you are, God will give us. You are believing and depend upon God, and you are living. So accumulating wisdom in a scrapbook of your heart. In a scrapbook, your heart, there is a book, there is whatever you are doing written in the book, that is good deeds of the book. That book we have seen, that scrap means book, big book, that is a large book that you can stick the pictures. You are making some kind of file work or something else, you are sticking that, like that our heart also, a large book is there. What we have to do, not thinking badly about others. Good deeds, I want to help them, or I want to help the poor, the destitute, or such a kind of people. So good thinkings, high thoughts, that is writing there, that should write there. Do not waste one page on folly, that is foolishness. That may not be, even one page also should not keep for writing the foolish things. Live to learn. So like that we have to live to learn. How to live, we should understand that how, which method we have to receive to learn, and learn to live, and learn to live. So we have to learn also, that is to live. If you want to give men knowledge, you must get it. Are you give? Are means what it is before. Suppose you want to impart knowledge for other people, what you have to do? You have to get it first. So you accumulate, you collect the knowledge of God, and or you get the wisdom. First of all you get it, then you understand how to live, then you impart the knowledge of others. Like this way we can be wiser, the world can be wise. Next question, do you wish the world were happy? Do you wish the world were happy? Next, third question, then remember day by day just to scatter seeds of kindness. Seeds of kindness here, like you know that the fruits, there is seeds, the seeds we put there, it would germinate and comes the plants. In science you are learning. So the same way here, seeds intend that kindness of seeds. Whenever we are moving, you do good things for others. You be kind to the poor, you be kind to the destitute, helping others. So we can see in the society, the doctors are helping the sick people and curing their wounds. The soldiers, they are keeping protecting our world. So different works. The police, they also help to keep injustice. The lawyers are also helping for do the justice. So whatever there is, many people are doing their actions the true way, kindness, and we people also can be behave like kind What will happen there? As you pass along the way for the pleasures of the many, and how times be traced to one, as the hand that plants an acorn shelters armies from the sun. So, do you wish the world were happy? Then remember, day by day, just to scatter seeds of kindness. So, day by day, what you have to do? What is your work? You have to do the work of kindness. Day by day, scatter kindness. Action must be kind to be others, merciful to others, for the pleasures of the many, for any kind of people, poor people or bad people, whatever there is, the people around us, educated or uneducated or whatever there is, we have to be kind with the persons. May oft times be traced to one, as the hands of time. Oft means that is often. Times be traced to one, as the hand that plants an acorn. Acorn means what it is, that is telling you. Acorn means that is the oak seeds. Oak tree, you have seen that seeds, a small seed of the oak tree, that is called acorn. Small tree that we call, that is nut, small nut is there, that is called acorn. Oak tree, small nut is called seed, means nut is there, that is called acorn. Shelters armies from the sun. So small deed of kindness may provide joy of many people. Small deed of kindness, you help in the school one small kid or a very poor girl for study fees payment, the whole class you help, that girl can study and she became a doctor, she take care of many patients in the society. So a small collections you could give and make the society the better world. So such a way small, every day by day you meet some problems in the society or the community anywhere else. There a small hand you give kindness, like a seed you put here and there, you give here and there, like a seed, that kind work anyhow according to the time it will spread and germinate it like a tree, a big tree that is giving shelters to the birds or other animals in the shade. Such a way it will help you. Good deeds always help you in the future. So that is why the poet is always reminding us that if you want to make the world better, what you have to do? अच्छी दुनिया बनाया के लिए your thoughts must be good. Your thoughts, it must be high, then it will help others, benefit of others. What we are thinking, that is good thoughts, it will help others. Then next one, do you want to be the world wise? Then first we have to get the wisdom, afterwards we impart the knowledge. Then next one, do you wish the world were happy? We want to make the world happy. First we scatter the seeds of the kindness work. We scatter the seeds of kind work. Afterwards these seeds would sprout it, germinate it. Then afterwards it will grow like a tree. That tree will grow. Afterwards it will make very, we can see that is a big tree. There are branches are there, that branches giving shelter to the birds and it shades give to other animals also, helping and fruits and everything. So like a tree you can also do in the society or in the community or in the family, whatever kind work, whatever sincere work, whatever knowledge you are acquiring, you are collecting, that let God help you always. That is the poet is telling, that is we can also, in our part we do, then the whole world there is change would take. That is why wish you all the best. Let you also be a part of the kind work, and many people may enjoy your kindness and your genuine work.